What's up, Loc Nation? Welcome back to my channel. I am your girl Kenyatta here, and today I have another banger for you guys. Old curls. Old curls are one of the most slept on foundations for lock styling, and today I'm going to show you why. I'm going to be showing you guys some of the things that I've done with old curls, and hopefully it will inspire you to not sleep on your old curls. And if you do sleep on your curls, guess what? You can style those bad boys in the morning. Enjoy this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching my video. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know what you think about this video. Share this video wherever you share cool stuff. Your Instagram, your Facebook, your Twitter, all of your friends and family with locks, any locticians you know seeking lock styling inspiration. Subscribe, turn on your notifications so that you never miss a video from your girl. Y'all know I rock with y'all the long way, right? You better know it. It's your girl Kenyatta here. Peace.